Hey everyone, happy Monday. Okay, for today class, we work on this page, okay, on page number 41. Okay, and this is what you have to do. This page is about the family, okay? So on the first row, I see a mom with a baby, the father, another baby on the second row, the sister or daughter, third row, grandma, and a brother. So you have to circle those pictures of the family members and then color the pictures. Okay, everyone? Very good. Next page, number 42. Just trace a capital A and small a. What is the sound for the letter A? Ah, ah, ah. Very good, everybody. Okay, so next. For this week, Unit 1, Week 3, we are going to learn about the 5 senses, okay? So right here, you have to circle on the first row the child who's looking at the sailboat. That will be the girl, okay? She's using the sight sense. Okay, very good. On the second row, you have to circle the child who's tasting a sandwich. Okay, that he's using what sense? The sense of tasting, right? So circle this one. And on the last row, you have to circle the child who's feeling the water. Okay, so this is it. Okay, it will be the boy. Okay, very good, everybody. So that's it for today. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.